Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to turn off auto delete message timer on your desktop Telegram application. So type here Telegram desktop. Then what you need to do, you need to click here three line left top corner on your screen, and then click the settings, then click the privacy and security, and click here auto delete messages. So it's one day after one day. It means if you start chatting with someone after one day, all the messages will be deleted permanently from your side and the uh, other side. Okay, so if you want to stop to disappearing or deleting messages after one day, then simply click here off. Okay, off, and go down, and then you can see it's off now. So this way you can turn off the auto delete message. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.